Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0369 refers to an issue with the camshaft position sensor B circuit, indicating an intermittent interruption in its operation. This error is crucial because it can lead to suboptimal engine performance and drivability problems. The camshaft position sensor B plays a vital role in providing the engine control module, ECM, with real-time data about the position of the camshaft, which is essential for accurate fuel injection and ignition timing. If the sensor transmits abnormal signals, the powertrain control module, PCM, recognizes this fault and stores the DTC. The affected components primarily include the CMP sensor B, which is located near the exhaust camshaft, and its associated wiring and connectors that facilitate communication with the PCM. In this troubleshooting guide, we will explore detailed symptoms, probable causes, and specific inspection procedures to effectively diagnose and address the P0369 error. The P0369 error relates to the camshaft position sensor B, which is integral for the engine control module's operation. This sensor monitors the position of the camshaft, transmitting this information to the PCM to optimize engine timing and performance. Located near the exhaust camshaft, CMP sensor B's proper functioning ensures smooth engine operation. The PCM is responsible for monitoring all engine parameters, and if this sensor sends abnormal pulsing signals, it can trigger the DTC. Such irregularities may indicate underlying issues with the sensor or associated wiring and connectors. The integrity of these connections is vital, as they enable the proper signal transmission necessary for accurate engine performance. Several factors may contribute to the P0369 diagnostic trouble code. One common cause is loose or corroded connections at the CMP sensor B, which may disrupt the electrical signals sent to the PCM. If the electrical contacts are not securely connected, the sensor may fail to transmit accurate position data. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning CMP sensor B itself. Internal failures can lead to inconsistent data reporting. Additionally, issues with the CMP pulse plate B, such as physical damage or looseness, may affect the sensor's reading accuracy and reliability. Each of these components must be thoroughly investigated to ascertain the root cause of the DTC to implement effective repairs. While the P0369 code is primarily technical, several noticeable symptoms can manifest in vehicle performance. Drivers may experience engine performance issues, including a lack of power, misfires, or reduced fuel efficiency, all stemming from erratic engine timing. Increased emissions may be another indicator, as improper timing can lead to incomplete combustion. Additionally, in severe cases, the vehicle may stall unexpectedly due to the PCM's inability to calibrate engine operations properly. This can happen particularly during acceleration or when idling at traffic lights. Identifying these symptoms early can aid in timely diagnostics and repairs, potentially preventing further engine complications. The first step in diagnosing the P0369 code involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle for at least 10 seconds. This wait period is essential for the vehicle systems to normalize and for the engine control module, ECM, to gather initial data. During this idle phase, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, the technician should monitor the onboard diagnostic, OBD status for the specific DTC P0369. This step is crucial for confirming whether the issue persists after a brief period of operation. If the DTC reoccurs after this procedure, it affirms that a deeper inspection of the related components is necessary. It's important to record the parameters present in the HDS which may help in diagnosing any further issues. Following the idle confirmation procedure, the next step is to take the vehicle for a test drive for several minutes. During this drive, it is crucial to maintain parameters similar to the recorded onboard snapshot values, particularly monitoring engine speed and vehicle speed. This driving test allows the PCM to evaluate the performance of the camshaft position sensor B under real operating conditions. After completing the test drive, the technician should again monitor the HDS for the presence of DTC P0369. Observations made during this step are vital, as they can indicate whether the error is intermittent or persistent, thereby guiding further investigative procedures. In this troubleshooting step, the technician should inspect the CMP sensor B connectors thoroughly to ensure a secure connection, examining for any signs of loose terminals or corrosion that could cause intermittent signals to the PCM. This inspection must extend to the powertrain control module PCM connector as well, as loose connections here could also lead to similar DTC errors. The integrity of the electrical connections is paramount for accurate data transmission between the sensor and the PCM. Any abnormalities found during this inspection could identify the root cause of the DTC. If the connections are found to be in normal condition, the technician can proceed to further inspections. The fourth troubleshooting step requires a close examination of the engine ground and the body ground connections. A secure grounding system is crucial for proper vehicle operation. Any loose or corroded terminals at these grounding points can cause electrical disruptions, leading to abnormal signals from the CMP sensor B. The technician must ensure that all connections are tight and free from oxidation, as this can significantly affect the overall performance of the sensor. If any irregularities are detected at these connection points, addressing them could resolve the DTC P0369 issue. Conversely, if all connections appear normal, technicians will need to move on to visual inspections of specific components. In this step, technicians must remove the cylinder head cover to access the CMP pulse plate B for a comprehensive visual inspection. The CMP pulse plate B is integrated with the exhaust camshaft and must be in good condition for the sensor to function correctly. The technician needs to check for any looseness or physical damage that could affect the sensor's ability to read camshaft position accurately. Any visible abnormalities, such as cracks or signs of wear, should be documented and addressed. If the CMP pulse plate B is found to be in good condition, the technician can conclude that further action may be necessary with the CMP sensor itself. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the CMP sensor B itself, particularly if prior inspections did not reveal faults with the connectors, terminals, or CMP pulse plate B. At this stage, if previous checks yield normal results, it is likely that the CMP sensor B is at fault. The technician should conduct tests to confirm the sensor's functionality, examining its ability to send accurate timing signals to the PCM. This may involve using specialized diagnostic tools to measure the sensor's electrical output. If the sensor fails these tests, it confirms that it is the source of the P0369 DTC, and replacement will be necessary to restore proper engine function. Once any necessary repairs or part replacements have been completed, it's crucial to clear the DTC from the vehicle's diagnostic system. This action resets the onboard computer, allowing it to recalibrate and operate without the previous error codes. Following this, a test drive should be conducted to confirm that the repairs were successful and that the vehicle operates without re-triggering the P0369 DTC. During the drive, the technician should monitor engine performance and stability closely. If the check engine light remains off and no new codes appear, it suggests that the issue has been resolved. This step is critical to ensure the reliability and safety of the vehicle post-repair. Preventive maintenance is essential in minimizing the likelihood of encountering the P0369 DTC in the future. Regularly inspecting the connections related to the CMP sensor B can help detect early signs of wear or potential failure points that could disrupt sensor function. Additionally, conducting routine engine diagnostics and comprehensive vehicle inspections as part of scheduled maintenance can identify potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Keeping the vehicle's software updated and ensuring all electronic connections are clean and secured will further protect against electrical failures. Adopting these practices can lead to enhanced vehicle reliability and performance. In conclusion, the DTC P0369 serves as an important diagnostic indicator related to the camshaft position sensor B circuit. Understanding the components involved, their roles, and the potential causes of the error is critical for effective troubleshooting and repair. Through a systematic approach involving several detailed inspection steps, technicians can ensure that any faults are accurately identified and resolved. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of future occurrences of this and similar issues. By being proactive in vehicle maintenance and diagnostics, owners can ensure their Honda Accord performs optimally and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.